Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the automatic download of photos from group chats on the Telegram app for PC with the new update. This handy feature saves you the trouble of manually downloading each photo, making your experience smoother and more convenient. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you are logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is often called the hamburger menu. Click on these 3 lines to open the main menu. From this main menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you into all the customizable options Telegram offers. Next, scroll down and select Advanced. This section contains some of the more detailed settings related to your app's behavior and performance. Within the advanced settings, look for a category called In-Group Chats. Here you want to ensure that the option for photos is checked. By enabling this, Telegram will automatically download photos sent in your group chats without needing any further action. This means photos will appear promptly and be saved on your device as they come in. Once you've checked the Photos box in In-Group Chats, you can exit the settings. Your changes will be saved automatically. And from now on, photos shared in group conversations will start downloading on their own, keeping you up to date with all media without lifting a finger. This update is particularly useful if you participate in active group chats where lots of images are shared, preventing any delays and letting you browse through photos seamlessly. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps: opening Telegram, accessing settings through the 3 lines menu, navigating to Advanced, and enabling photos under In-Group Chats, you'll have automatic photo downloads working on your Telegram PC app in no time. Enjoy your enhanced Telegram experience.